Welcome back to A La Carte Cooking. You might be wondering that this is a little puzzling to see what we're doing today because there's puzzles on the table. If you haven't seen them, it's a lot of pieces. We decided to do 2,000 piece puzzle in our kitchen. Per my idea. I don't know if it was the best one I had, to be honest with you. We are, 3 days into this thing, and we are not very far. So, instead of taking it all apart and starting over, and we're just gonna do it on top. So, cocktail hour amongst the puzzles. That's what this one's called. And going into the new year. These next cocktails over the next couple days are actually audience derived, right? We asked the audience, give us your suggestions over our 12 cocktails of Christmas, and we got some. This one is Naughty Little Helper. It was given to us by Mike. Thank you so much. This is a cocktail I've never made, so I have no idea what these taste like. I haven't made any of these cocktails. We're going with what the recipe says, almost. This one actually calls for white rum. We don't have white rum. We have this rum. It's a gold rum. It's nice. So what is in the Naughty Little Helper? We're using coconut rum, cream, milk, half and half, whatever you have, chocolate liqueur, rum, technically calls for white rum, and then peppermint schnapps. That's what makes it the Naughty Little Helper. We are going to do ice into our stir. I'm gonna move these out of the way so you can see. First ingredient in is going to be the coconut rum. This is probably the predominant flavor profile to this in this sense, but I'll tell you though, the peppermint liqueur will shine through because it's a beast of a liqueur. It's a beastly liqueur. It goes beast mode. Coconut rum goes in, and this is a stirred cocktail because there's cream in it. If you shake it, it's gonna get super frothy and it's not gonna be that great. Next is we're gonna do an ounce of milk. Now, if you wanted to multiply this and do it for a bunch of people, just multiply the parts, it's not too difficult. In goes the milk. I like to use half and half because frankly, we don't have milk in this house. Half and half it is. Next is the chocolate liqueur. Doesn't matter the brand, we have Sheelin. My bad. It's Sheelin. Do an ounce of this. Looks very similar to the cream. This is a very white drink. I'm not sure why it's called Naughty Little Helper. It should be called Silent Night. Next up, half a shot of rum. Again, this is the rum we have. It's not white. It's okay. Ooh, I almost went full shot on you. Still would taste amazing. All right, half a shot with a skosh more. In that goes. And last but not least, Mr. Stack's Peppermint Liqueur, the star of the show. Do a half a shot of this in here. Bam. In it goes. Again, we stir this. So stir it very similar to, say, an old fashioned. You want to stir it, get the ice melting in there, dilute it a bit more, dilute it a bit. And it will make it nice and drinkable because the cream and the chocolate liqueur are a little heavy. So you don't want too many heavy things in here. It just makes it a little less palatable, though ice dilutes it out. Makes it nice to drink. We will strain this out and I will tell you how delicious this is. If you have a regular 5-ounce martini glass, these ratios of 4 ounces of liquid going into the stirring device with ice to dilute makes a beautiful 5-ounce cocktail. All right, let's taste this. Ooh, that is great. It's naughty, but really nice. It's super well balanced. The peppermint actually doesn't like punch through nearly as much. It's got a very, I don't know, choreographed play to this. The chocolate liqueur, wonderful in it. The rum gets lost. This rum is a fantastic rum. I don't taste that much. The peppermint and the chocolate actually come out way more, but I think the coconut, oh, there's the coconut. I was thinking about where the coconut was, and it comes on the back end, which is nice. It's because peppermint's such a straightforward type of flavor profile, the coconut kind of gets in the back and then shines towards the end. But it's a really nice cocktail. I would not personally rim it with candy cane that much. I actually would probably do like a mint sprig or something to it. That would be really tasty. If you guys try this, tell me, how would you garnish it? And if you use white rum or even darker rum, try that. Let's see how that tastes. Never know. This is creativity at its finest. I hope you liked this video. Give it a like. Subscribe to our channel. We love seeing what you guys come up with. We want to hear about more cocktails. I will make anything you throw at me. Virtually anything that you throw at me. Let's be honest.
There you are.
Virtually anything. Well, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time.